Today's unboxing is this apple core cutter. So made in China. There's actually quite a lot of these online, so it all seems to be from a very similar manufacturer, very similar design. This is how it comes packaged. Got slightly crumpled in the post. Just comes in a normal sort of envelope. I think I paid about $4 or $5 for this. Let's get it open. Just some little cable ties on the back. Pretty easy to extract. Not much on the packaging. Here's the unit itself, and it's made from sort of, seems fairly durable stainless steel. These little bits on the back though, you could probably catch yourself. They're not very sharp, but you know, they can still probably catch yourself. Blades, not very sharp, but they would, I think, certainly with a bit of pressure, cut through an apple. Nice grip handles. Some little welds in here, so it's a cheap product, but it'll do the job. Should be dishwasher safe as well. About $4 or $5. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10.